Jay is back with another daily video for you, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make between $200 and $1,000 by reading into your microphone. And you can see I've got the rates right here on my screen where you can determine what you're going to earn depending on how long you're going to read. So you can see 0 to 5 minutes all the way up to 60 minutes, which includes 750 equivalent word count all the way up to 9,000 words and beyond. And as a starter, you signing up on this website might start between the 0 and 5 minute range depending on how many words you want to speak. You can earn $100 between 0 and 5 minutes by reading on this website, and up to 60 minutes and beyond, you can earn $1,000 plus in an hour by just reading 9,000 words in 60 minutes. Now, you don't need to be amazing at English. You don't need to have the most amazing $3,000 condenser microphone. You can literally use your mobile phone and record voice memos into your phone by doing this method. So you don't need fancy equipment, you don't need to speak into a camera, it's just reading into your microphone for this website where companies will use your voice for advertisements, for various different articles that they want you to read, that they might use for business or product research. And how this works is businesses will pay Voicescom a monthly fee, and then what happens from there is VoiceOver pays you based on the amount of words you read for these companies. So they pay you basically a commission for the amount of words that you read. And the best thing about this website, it's worldwide and international, so anybody can get started with this platform and earn money on this website just reading into their computer or mobile phone. And I've got a formula for you guys where you can work out exactly how much you can earn on this website Voicescom per minute, and you can sort of judge from that how much you can earn on a daily basis depending on how much time you want to put in on a website like this. So if I go over to the calculator, an online calculator. So let's take $1,000 and divide that by 60. And this will give you $16.67 per minute that you can earn on Voicescom for just speaking into your microphone and reading the words on the screen. And if you work, let's say 30 minutes per day, just working on this platform, reading, applying for the different jobs where you can read different texts on the screen on this website, you can earn, let's say, let's multiply this by 30 to determine, let's say 30 minutes. You can earn $500 a day. That is the potential by working only 30 minutes a day from home with this website. So this website is not a Mickey Mouse website that pays peanuts. This website really pays well. And when you come to the website, this is what you're going to see. So you can see this website, Voicescom, is partnered with some of the biggest companies in the world, such as Shopify, Microsoft, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, Hulu. These are the biggest companies in the world. So Voicescom is not a Mickey Mouse website. And the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to head over to the sign up page or the sign up button on the top right of the website. When you click on that, you're going to see post a job and hire a voice actor, or audition and work as a voice actor. So you want to click on audition and work as a voice actor, enter all of your information, get started. You'll need to verify your email through a verification code. And once that's done, your profile will be created. I've already created my profile, so I'm going to log into my profile and show you how you can apply for jobs and earn at these rates. And once you've signed into your account, you can go to the Voicescom projects page where you will be prompted with a whole bunch of different projects that you can complete to earn on this website. And I'm going to give you the categories that pay the most. So obviously the first thing, which is what this video is about, is speaking into your computer. So you've got audiobooks, which is my #1 category that pays the most on this website, which you can view the rates on the resources rates tab. And then my second category that pays the second most is probably explainer video. So where you can connect your products and services to your customers with also like a professional voiceover, sort of speaking over a voice or over text. It's very similar to an audiobook, and this one pays the second most. But obviously we're going to focus on the audiobook voiceover. On the audiobook voiceover page, you can read a little bit more about it, what they're going to do with your audio covers. And you can see, if you scroll down more or less halfway to the page, you can see basically categories for the different audiobook voiceovers. So you've got a more aggressive tone people, authentic people, more like believable, soft speaking people, more amusing people with more of a humorous sort of sense to the way they speak, and more abrupt sense or more abrupt category people as well. So I'm just going to use, for example, authentic people. And when I click on this page, you can see there's a whole bunch of people that do voiceovers, and these people are getting paid rates like this: $100 between 0 to 5 minutes of work, $250 for between $5 and $15 per work. And I mean, on your dashboard, I'm going to show you how you can apply and get listed here as well. So you can see like a guy like Eric David has a demo. He's set up his profile. He's got a 5-star rating. He's got like a demo of his voice. And you can see your voice gender can be male or female, your age, you can be any age, you can be a child. So if you're 5 years old, you can earn on this website, which is really incredible. You can speak any language you like. You can see all of the languages that are offered. So I mean, it's not only English, you can speak German, Greek, Haitian, anything you want. You can also choose the categories, obviously audiobooks in this case, and how you can filter through the different audio readers or the audio covers, the voices, and I'm going to show you how you can get listed here and essentially get paid these rates. And to log into your profile to find these different available jobs, you can head over to the profile tab. If you click on that, you will see it will take you to your profile here, so you can view your highlights, you can enter some of your experience. Obviously what you want to do is you really want to work on your profile, so make good highlights. Put your features and your highlights, your languages, your accents, any special skills that you have, experience, credentials, the studio, the microphone, the software, the equipment that you use. For example, if you just use your mobile phone, you can say, for example, microphone, iPhone 7, 8, computer and software, Windows Movie Maker, or whatever software you're using to edit. But that's not really important. Just enter as much as information as possible to really make your profile stand out, to essentially look so much better and eventually get the way higher paid jobs. So not only like the 5 to 10 minute jobs, also maybe you'll start getting people or companies will approach you on this website for like the 60-minute jobs where you can earn like $1,000 in 60 minutes. So make your profile look as good as possible. And once you're done with that, you can head over to the jobs tab. So if you see on the top left, there's a jobs tab, and here you can see a whole bunch of different jobs up for offer. So you can see a job by CSAO. It's an English North American sort of job. So basic English, you can speak English. You'll see most of them will be English. There's also, okay, I've only seen English so far. So you can see this job is paying between $100 and $249. So that means it's between 5 and maybe 15 minutes of work. You can see if I click down on the drop down, you can see this job has 61 responses. It's a word count of 103 words. So it's really not a lot at all. The voice age is a young adult, 18 to 35. So the gender is both, so it doesn't matter whether it's female or male. That's the sort of job they're looking for here. And you can see here's a job for $500. So if I click down on this, 69 responses, internet video, there's a word count of 148. Also young adult, 18 to 35. And you can see here's a job for $2,350. And if I click on the drop down, you can see there's a word count of $8,500, 56 minutes of work. So it's going to be about an hour. And they're looking for a male child between 5 and 12 years old. So I mean, if you've got a male child or son that's between 5 and 12, well, here's a job for him to earn $2,350 just speaking into a microphone. If he's decently clear, if he's English, if he's got good grammar with English, you know, here's an awesome opportunity for your children. And when you download the Voices.com application on your mobile device, this is sort of what the screen's going to look like. So it's going to prompt you with a script that looks just like this. Obviously English, if you've chosen a project that's for English, you click record and you basically just read the words clearly. So for example, with Voices.com, you can post jobs, review responses, and hire voice actors for audio and video. So you can speak pretty slowly, pretty clearly, make sure that like you're very clear when you speak, and you know you're bound to get accepted for a lot of jobs if you can just speak good English. Any other language is accepted as well. You can filter by the various different languages on Voices.com, and this is probably one of the best websites that you can possibly make money on. I mean, it's a very well-known, high-paid website. A lot of companies are paying this website a lot of money. That is how they can afford to pay you such good money, because I mean their brand is so big that companies, as you saw, like Microsoft, Shopify, are paying this website hundreds of thousands of dollars, probably per month, per year, to get voice actors speaking different articles or different scripts for their businesses, for product research, and that is exactly how they can afford to pay you. So I mean, sign up an account, let me know how this goes, and I'd love to see what you guys maybe will earn on this website. And you are here right now, which means you've watched until the end of this video. So I want you to comment down below, I'm a millionaire minder, and I will really appreciate that you've watched this video until the end, and maybe I'll give you a shout out in my next video. But if you guys enjoyed this video, I'm going to see you tomorrow in my daily video, so make sure to subscribe for that, and also like this video if you enjoyed it. But as I say, make sure to subscribe with the bell on so I can send you my message tomorrow when I release my new video. But until then, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.